Alright, so I have a used set of Honda Recon tires, stock tires. I'm going to be selling them. Alright, so I got the front tire here. It's a Goodyear Tracker HP. It's a 2-ply tire. It's a all-terrain 22 by 7 by 11. That's what, if you look at the front of the ATV, that's what you'd be seeing. And that's the back of the tire. They were good, but it was time for me to get new tires. But I think I'll be able to sell them. Here's the rear. It's the same thing, Goodyear Tracker HP, all-terrain 22 by 10 by 9, 2-ply. That's the rear. That's the front. They're pretty cloudy, funky looking. So this is what I got to use. It's a white wall, black wall tire cleaner, Wesley's bleach white, spray on, wipe off. So I guess you take the cap off. There we go. Here's the spray thing. Get that in, screw it in, pop off the top cap, and you spray on. These aren't just spray on, wipe off. I'm going to spray on, then I'm going to scrub it, and then wipe it. This crap, it's 17 years old, is in the back of the cabinet. So just use it on a junk pair of tires, so I don't really care if it's good or not. I'm just selling them. I'm definitely going to get some good stuff, good tires later on. But first I'm just going to spray it on. You can soak it real good. I'm just doing sidewall for now. A little bit of the tread. But tires are pretty rough, I tell you. Not a big fan of the sprayer. Kind of junk wants to slide all around. So I guess what I'm doing right now is got my scrub brush. I took the pressure wash of these yesterday because they were really muddy. So I want to make sure I got all the excess dirt off, which I did. They look clean. Alright, so a lot of people don't clean their ATV tires. I mean, come on, it's an ATV. It's supposed to get dirty and all, you know? But, you know, since I'm going to be selling these and they're used, I might be able to get some extra money out of it. You know, I might get more money if I sell it as a set instead of individual or as a pair. So that's why I'm going to be selling as a set. Now, another thing is, once these are clean, I might even get more money for that. That's what I'm going for. Wow, these are looking better. Alright. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do the center. This is the first time these tires have ever had this done to it, I'm sure. I'm the second owner of the ATV. So, get that scrubbed up. Got this old bandana, if that works. Stand this up, like that. Start wiping. Alright, so that tire is nice and shiny. Big difference. So yeah, if you're going to sell tires, clean them up. I wiped it down afterwards. And I took a hose to it, washed all the dirt from it being in the driveway, and brand new looking tires. If you don't look at the tread. Alright, another how-to video. Good luck.